guys, I hope that it's been a good summer so far. So today's video is going to be super cool. It's actually going to be a hair mask. So as I just said, it's summer, and one of the things that you mainly do in summer is go to the pool. Unfortunately, the bad thing about going to the pool is that your hair sometimes suffers. You're having fun, splashing in the water, and then you get out and your hair is just there, dying. So today we're going to have a hair mask that's actually going to help you fix that. But if you don't go swimming, this hair mask can also apply to you because we're often in the sun more often in the summer, and that's actually also damaging to your hair. So this is going to hopefully help to rejuvenate it and make your hair look all nice and beautiful again. So first of all, we're just going to start off with the actual problem. So why does getting in the pool make your hair so gross? So the reason that happens is because the chlorine actually gets sucked up by your hair, I guess, and all the other chemicals that are actually in there. And I think that I read somewhere it's not the chlorine, it's something else, but it's one of the chemicals that's in there. And so it actually, your hair soaks it up. And so it not only leaves your hair dehydrated, but it also damages that protecting layer around your hairs. So your hair is left vulnerable, and it also doesn't have as much water, so it's left kind of dry, and over time that can actually create split ends. So now that we know what the problem is, how are we going to fix it? We're going to fix it with this hair mask. So your first ingredients are going to be 1 egg that's been kind of scrambled and whipped up. I already did that, but that's what you need. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of avocado oil, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1/4 cup of coconut milk. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add in all of your oils. So I am starting with the coconut oil. Coconut oil is an oil that is very beneficial for your hair. It actually it does this really cool thing where it helps to fix split ends. I don't know how exactly, but that's why we're adding it in there. So if you have long time hair damage, that's going to help you with your split ends. The next thing is some avocado oil. We're putting avocado oil in there because avocado oil actually helps to add shine to your hair. So oftentimes after you get out of the pool, your hair is really dull and really So the avocado oil is just going to add some shine, kind of spice it up a bit, and bring your hair to that natural, beautiful, shiny state. The next thing we're going to add in is olive oil, and this just kind of helps to repair your hair. Generally, it's very good for your hair. Kind of adds in all those natural oils and helps to rehydrate it. Like we were saying, the chlorine takes it out, so you're just going to try and add it back in. Now, just mix it all together. Okay, once you have mixed in your oils, it's time to add in the mayonnaise. I am just going to be using a fork to get this out, but might need a spoon if you want to get every last little bit of it. And this, guys, this is honestly the hardest part of the mask right here. Mixing in the mayonnaise. What a challenge, what a struggle, but it's so worth it because mayonnaise actually adds softness back to your hair. So you often get that dry, brittle feeling. This is going to make it nice and soft and smooth and fun to touch. So that's what the mayonnaise are for. Hello, Finn. You want to say hi to everyone? Say hi. Hi! This is Finn. He's my puppy. I love him. You're confused, aren't you? You're why are you holding me up to look at that little box? Little square. Alright, I'll let you go back to resting. You probably want to eat this, don't you? Yeah? Alright, also for the mayonnaise, because they are really hard to mix in, you don't have every little speck totally blended in, that is a-okay. That's alright, isn't it, Finn? That's alright. That's okay. The next thing is honey. My honey is super infused with the bowl. I don't know what kind of honey I have, It's very stiff. So I'm just going to go microwave that for like 5 seconds, get it all nice and fluidy, and then just be able to pour it in there. Right, bud, you gotta move. I know. Oh, you just want to eat the honey, don't you? It's my dog. Alright, we are back. I just got it all jellified now, so it should actually go into the hair mask a little bit easier. I know if you're like, whoa, I want some. I don't know if honey is like good for you. I don't actually know. Oh, my makeshift table is moving. Anywho, stop doing that. Oh, you're just licking it. Okay, you're not being aggressive. That's fine. Okay, and then the final ingredient is our coconut milk. Coconut milk is just, oh, I forgot to make the honey. Honey is like the same as olive oil. It adds like moisturizing. It moisturizes your hair, so it'll like help get it back to that nice, moist, soft stage. And then the coconut oil is just full of a lot of good things that are super good for your hair. So like vitamins, I think, and just because it's not actual milk, it's like, did I say coconut oil? It's coconut milk. I can't even remember. Sorry. But it has like a lot of really cool things in it that are really good for your hair. So that's why it's used. And it just helps like nourish your hair and make it just healthier in general. So this hair mask you don't even have to use if you have damaged hair. If you just want to maintain the health of your hair, you can also use it for that as well. Okie dokie, our hair mask is ready. There are no more like clumps in it. Oh, I just said that and then there's like a little clump. It's fine. We'll just... Alright. Nope, there's still a clump in it. That's alright. This clump is just going to get removed. That's right. You've been removed. Now there are no clumps in it. Nice and smooth. Pretty beautiful. So... now that's all finished, I'm just going to put it in this little container. I like using something like this, like a little ketchup container. You can always just like scoop it out, I guess, and put it on your hair. So yeah, let's do that. Oh my goodness, this is actually perfect. You guys see this? Are you seeing this right now? I literally didn't get any on the side of this. The first time there were like stuff everywhere. I feel so accomplished. Anywho, so now I just am screwing on the lid so it's ready to go. If you have never applied a hair mask before, stick around because I'm going to show you how to do that. If you have, leave this in for 30 minutes and make sure to wash it out with shampoo and conditioner. Don't just like rinse it out, like it needs to be fully washed out. So if you have not, then follow me to the bathroom, I guess. I think that's where we're going to go. I'm not really decided yet. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the bathroom. But wherever we end up, I'll see you there. Alright guys, so first things first, you're just going to make sure that your hair is all nice and brushed out. I also changed into a t-shirt because it's probably going to get on your like shirt. Not like bad or anything like that, but it's going to be on there a little bit, so like don't wear your favorite shirt. I recommend changing. You're also going to need a shower cap so that you can use that and not like dripping everywhere while you're waiting. And then obviously bring over the hair mask. So to start off, you're just going to want to take some of your hair. I like to cup it in my hand like this. Squeeze some of it on and just kind of rub it through. Now, depending on like the damage level that your hair's at can depend like how much of the hair mask you do. So for me, my hair is pretty good right now. I've done like, I don't know, like I did a few of the hair masks on it, so it's like not super damaged. So I'm only really going to be doing the ends of my hair, maybe like the middle section too. But if you have like really dry hair, then you could go all the way up to your scalp. If you have super not dry hair, you can do what I'm doing right now and just do the ends. whatever you feel like, or if there's like, let's just say right here, for whatever reason it's like really dry and damaged, you can target that one spot as well. So whatever you feel like, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. Okay, so now that I'm all done, I have it to the point where I want it, I'm going to put my hair up, put the shower cap around it, and then wait for 30 minutes. Because to secure my hair, I'm actually not going to be using a hair tie. Like I said earlier, this hair mask, like, doesn't smell bad necessarily, but doesn't smell great either. And you don't really want that, like, residue on your hair ties, or you don't really want, like, the smell on your hair ties, because there are some hair masks that don't smell great. So just like as a good habit to get into, start using clips like this. They're like plastic, so they actually like wash off really easily, and it's just much easier for everyone involved. If you don't have these clips though, don't worry, a hair tie will work just fine. So I'm going to wrap up my hair. And then I'm just going to put the hair, what's this called, shower cap over it. Alright, now that my hair is nice and secure, I'm just going to set a timer for 30 minutes. So once that timer goes off, I'm going to get in the shower, wash off, like I said, with shampoo and conditioner. And then I'm going to let it dry, and I will show you guys the results in the morning. Also, just really quick for this, do store it in like the fridge. Don't put it like just out, because it does have eggs and mayonnaise and some other stuff in there that it does better in the fridge. And also make sure that before you use it again, you just mix it around. Yeah, that's all for tonight, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning so you can see the results. Alright guys, welcome back. This is the next morning, and this is what my hair looks like. You guys can't really tell, but it's like super soft to the touch, and this is after like even, because like this is the evening now since I was super like busy earlier, so now it's like the evening and I curled my hair this morning, so it's endured a lot today, and yet it's still like really soft, and it's kind of got a little bit of shine left to it. So hopefully you guys are proud of the results. I personally think that this hair mask works really well, and we hope that you guys think that too. If this is your first time visiting our channel, well then I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe down below. Also, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know you guys liked it. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Also, all of our social media, as well as the recipe for this, will be linked down in the description box. Also, if you do follow our Instagram, then you know that there's a new vlog coming. And there is a new vlog coming. It's still underway. I literally went through like an entire SD card while filming that, so quite a lot of stuff on there, lots of things to go through, so it's going to be a little bit. It might be more of like an end of summer video, but it is coming. There's a vlog on its way of our like trip to Europe, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's everything. Bye guys, hope to see you next time. Oh, Finn's gonna say bye too. Finn, you wanna say bye? Oh yeah. Yeah, you want to say goodbye to everyone? Bye everyone! Goodbye!